Hey guys, Nisii here. Today I'm going to talk about retargeting. It's a very exciting topic and it's a very useful for marketing. Let me share an incident with you. Happened to me a couple of weeks back. I was looking for a patio furniture and then I went to Wayfair, one of my favorite sites, and I looked at a couple of options. I really liked one, looked at the detail, and then I got distracted. I had to leave, I had to go somewhere, and then I totally forgot about it. So what happened was, from next day onwards, every time I browsed the internet, every time I went to any site, Google, Yahoo, CNN, everywhere, I would see that the ad for the same particular furniture from Wayfair. So it happened for a couple of days, and after a couple of days, Wayfair sent me a discount, $100 on the same set. Now at that point, I was so ready. I'm like, I like the furniture, the price is good, let me buy it. So I bought it. That is a retargeting campaign that Wayfair did, and that is the power of retargeting. So rule of 7 says that you need to expose your visitor to your offer, to your brand, to your product at least 7 times before they make a decision to buy. And with retargeting, you can exactly do that. You can follow them around over the internet with your offer all the time, like how Wayfair did to me. And eventually, study shows that if you show display ad to a retargeted customer, they are 70% more likely to convert. So there is the data there. When you set up a retargeting campaign, what's going to happen to your business? You're getting traffic, then you're sending them to the opt-in page. So here you are collecting emails and building your list. And then you can follow up with this list and then eventually sales. Do you know only like 2% to 3% of the total traffic that goes through actually buy? But there's no problem with this because you already have emails, so you can always follow up with them. But people who do not opt in, like study shows only 20 to 60% of people opts in. That means 80 to 40% leaves without giving you their email address. Now, how do you follow up with them? That is where retargeting comes into action. So if you have a retargeting pixel set up, which is very easy to do, there is a video on that I'll put in description. When you have a retargeting pixel set up, immediately what happens is the two of the major marketing company are Google Adroll and Facebook, who do retargeting. So when you set up Google and Facebook retargeting pixel, now what happens is Mr. Google and Ms. Facebook will start to build a retargeting pool of everyone who clicked on your landing page. So no matter if they opt in or they didn't opt in, they are here on this pool. You can see the potential here. This pool can grow to thousands of people because it will always be growing, adding up whenever people visit this site. So that's the first thing that the campaign, the retargeting setup will do, is collect everybody, not wasting a single click, into this pool. And then later you can develop specific campaign to the specific people and then follow them around over the internet. So if you don't have a retargeting setup, guys, do it today. You don't have to do both steps today. The 2 steps were setting up the pixel and building a campaign for the retargeted pool. You can build the campaign later, but today what you will need to do is you need to set up retargeting pixels so that you don't waste a single traffic going forward. How you can do is you go to Google Adroll and Facebook and get pixel from there and put it on your landing page and website. If you want to know how to do it, I mean, you can look at their help section. If not, I have a tutorial on how to put the Google and Facebook pixel. I'll put it in the description so you can check that out. But do it today, guys, because you don't want to waste any more traffic. You don't want to waste this potential of reaching out to this highly targeted people. So I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, press that like button, subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon, and then put some comments. Let me know what you want to see in future, what you like. If you have any suggestion, I really appreciate it. So until next time, bye bye.